In this video I will show you how to restore photo, any documents, any movie, any files. First I will show you in laptop and second I will show you Android phone. New tab open and then click here, go to photos. After that find you your bin section. I want 3 photos restore 1 2 3. Choose and here restore option showing, so click here and restore my photos. Okay, and back. This is a method laptop. Minimize this page. After that I will show you how to restore an Android phone. Photos app open. After that this icon click, show you trace option and click trace option, and this is my photos. I want restore 1 2 3, 1 video, 2 photos restored, and restore section. Choose my photos restored. So laptop and Android both same step follow. Restore photo, any files, any videos. So this method use. Like and subscribe my share please.